Okay, we got some yeast rolls and yeast bread that has been rising all night. And I'm about to add some more spray butter on them and some Mrs. Dash table blend, nature seasoning, and Parmesan Romano. That's how I make my urban cheese bread. I'll show you here. I've got parquet spray, Kraft Parmesan Romano cheese. Spray the pan with the buttery flavored spray. Also put nature seasoning on there. And Mrs. Dash table blend. I got the oven warming at 350 and that go in there for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Okay, I finished seasoning these up. They're seasoned pretty heavy. Looks like the Parmesan Romano is a little clumpy. I see a few clumps on there, but they'll cook out on it. But here it is. That's about how much seasoning I put on it. I put a little bit on it when they're rising. Then as they rise, they have a few bare spots that don't have it, so I sprayed them with butter. As you can see, they're kind of slick. And put some more Mrs. Dash table blend on it, and some more nature seasoning, and some more Parmesan Romano. And these will be yummy. Fix and put them in the oven at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes till golden brown, and then they will be delicious. Alrighty, I've got the rolls out of the oven. They're nice and browned. Turned out really good. Got plenty of seasoning on them. That's urban cheese seasoning. You could put some shredded cheese on it right here and let it kind of melt to the top. But we've got to where we don't eat too much cheese these days, but that'd be good too. Okay, I did 2 loaves of bread as well, and there's 4 more of those rolls on this one. Wasn't enough room on that other pan to put them on there. Look at these gorgeous flowers. Rocky, Wendy, and Waylon brought me those in for Valentine's Day. So beautiful, ain't they? Good looking bread too. Gonna be yummy. Oh, look at it. And I got that little crock there, and I just set it down in it. I like that little old crock. But anyhow, yeah, they surprised me with those. They are gorgeous. Got a new little tripod thing that I'm going to set up in here. And the little thing's supposed to follow you around the room kind of motion-wise. So maybe I won't be hopping around like I am with trying to walk around this little table here. Show you these flowers. So I hope it works good. And I got a couple little microphones. I just got cheap ones, but we'll see how they work. But every time me and Paul go mushroom hunting or something, y'all are saying you can't hear him, or he's off away from us a little bit, so we're going to try them out. I probably should have got better ones. I probably got what I paid for. I don't think I paid but like 20 bucks for them. 30 maybe. Yes, I'm a cheapskate. Anyhow, there you go. Yummo. And there you go. The other pan of rose. We're going to have a good dinner today. Okay, we're having family dinner today, and I made some Salisbury steak noodles. I made a beef and cheese penne pasta dinner with cream cheese in it, and baby Red's mashed potatoes, obviously with cream cheese and butter in them. Green beans with bacon grease, a little bit of butter, and some of my urban cheese yeast rolls. And I messaged everybody and told them that dinner was ready, and our little great-grandson, he has the flu, so we've packaged this up for his mom and dad because they weren't going to be able to come. So they have everything here. Dinner rolls, green beans, mashed potatoes, the pasta, and the Salisbury steak stuff, which is Ethan's favorite. He loves Salisbury steak, so I know he'll love these Salisbury steak noodles. we're going to send that down to them so they don't have to miss dinner. So that's why these were packaged up. Paul's fixing to take them down to them, just hand them off at the door so we don't get sick too. And that's why they wasn't going to come down, so they didn't have to make anybody sick. So, pray for our great-grandson. Okay, we're having dinner tonight. This is our Valentine dinner. Our lighting ain't the best in here, sorry, but anyhow, Paul's trying his dinner. He decided to eat in the front room tonight. He's got some, we've got an Italian pasta dinner there, and it's got cream cheese and regular cheese and burger and penne noodles and some creamy red mashed taters, and they've got cream cheese in them as well, and some green beans with bacon grease, and got some Salisbury steak and noodles there to go over the mashed potatoes if he wanted. He's just eating together. And I made some herb and cheese yeast rolls and some herb and cheese bread. How is it, Paul?
Here's my vote.
Good deal. That's the only vote I need. I love you. Happy Valentine's Day. I'm proud you're mine.
I love you too, sweetheart. Proud you're mine.
We're waiting for everybody else to get here and eat. Ethan and family wasn't able to come because Joseph, yeah, he's sick. So we took them a pack of food down there. I boxed them up some, and Paul ran it down there and gave it to them at the door. So we're hoping they got to eat it and enjoy it too. So there it is. There's our dinner. Hope y'all enjoyed your Valentine's Day. Thanks for joining us. God bless.
God bless.